Northvolt, Tesla's European rival, makes its first lithium-ion cell. Northvolt, a Swedish battery manufacturer, stated on Wednesday that it has created its first lithium-ion battery cell at its Skellefte factory, fulfilling its goal of starting production by the end of 2021. Northvolt, which competes with Tesla's battery-making division and was valued at $12 million by investors in June, claims to be the first battery of its sort designed, manufactured, and assembled entirely in a so-called gigafactory by a native European battery firm. A gigafactory is a large-scale power facility whose annual output is measured in gigawatt-hours, GWh. Northvolt Ett in Skellefte is anticipated to produce 60 gigawatt-hours per year. Northvolt claimed the battery cell came off the gigafactory's production line on Tuesday. "Of course, this is just the beginning," Peter Carlson, Northvolt's CEO and co-founder, said in a statement. "We expect Northvolt Ett to significantly increase its production capacity in the coming years, allowing Europe to make the shift to sustainable energy." Currently, the bulk of electric car batteries are manufactured in the United States and Asia, but Northvolt intends to change that. Despite being just 6 years old, Northvolt has already inked contracts worth more than $30 billion with companies such as BMW, Volkswagen, Volvo, and Polestar. According to Northvolt, commercial deliveries will begin in 2022, and production capacity will expand to 60 gigawatt-hours in the future, enough to supply batteries for about 1 million electric vehicles. To help grow its operations, the corporation has raised nearly $6.5 billion from a variety of investors. Goldman Sachs and Volkswagen led the current funding round, which included new investors such as Swedish pension funds AP1, AP2, AP3, AP4 and Canadian pension provider Roamers. Previous investors in the round include Spotify CEO Daniel Ek and investment management firm Baillie Gifford. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel.